Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to delete your Google Maps search history. Oh, it really works on both iOS and Android, so watch this if you want to delete your search history. So let's get started. So first is open your Google Maps, and as you can see right here, I click here, you see my recent searches here. Then just go back and click your profile button right about top right corner, and then click on settings. Yes, scroll down till you see maps history. Yes, right here. So click on that and scroll down, and here is your history from today. So what you're gonna do is just click the delete button right here and confirm, and it says deletion complete, and just go back and then reopen the app and then click on search again, and as you can see, search history is gone. And that's basically how you delete your search history on Google Maps. Thanks for watching, and by the way, if you like what you've seen, check out the product links below in the description. When you click one of the product links, I'll receive a small commission which helps support this channel. Thank you.